One day, there was an ant who was looking for food. He continued walking through the forest until finally he saw an apple tree bearing abundant fruit. The tree was located across a fast-flowing river. To get to the apple tree, of course he had to cross the river. Finally, driven by his hunger, he intended to swim across the river. But he failed and started to sink. He tried to scream for help from other animals that might be passing by the river.
Help! I'm drifting.
But unfortunately, no one could help him. Ant gave up and almost drowned because he ran out of energy. When he wanted to give up, a dove came and saw him in the river. The dove immediately pulled a leaf was nearby and dropped it into the river near the ant. With the remaining strength, the ant swam towards the leaf and immediately climbed into the leaf that had been thrown by the dove. After returning to the river bank, the ant was grateful that the dove had saved him. A few days after the incident, a hunter entered the forest. The hunter saw a dove heavily perched on the tree. The dove didn't realize that the hunter was targeting and wanted to shoot him. Luckily, the ants were not far from that place, knew that what the hunter was targeting was the dove that had helped him. The ant tried to stop the hunter's intentions. Then the ant ran as fast as he could to approach the hunter and beat his leg hardly. Because the hunter shocked and felt pain in his leg, accidentally he released his rifle and made a gunshot. The sound startled the dove and made him realize that he was in danger. Then the dove immediately flew and went away from the hunter. Finally, the dove and ant managed to escape. If previously the dove managed to save the ant who was almost drowning from the river, now the ant managed to save the dove from the hunter. The ant and the dove thank each other and then they be friends who are always together.